everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook lead ads for wedding planning service. So I am the owner of a wedding planning service and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. For that, I want that every time a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards that lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, I need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need triggers and actions. So in this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. I am using WhatsApp Cloud API to create a message template. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact. To learn this automation process, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook lead ads. So I'm a wedding planner and I want that every time a new lead is generated with the help of my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards that lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. That means every time any of my customers submits their details with the help of Facebook leads, automatically towards that customer, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, we are going to set up an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp API Cloud because I'm using WhatsApp API Cloud to create a template for my WhatsApp message. So for that, as on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. And next we have to sign into a Pabbly account. So for that, I'm going to click over here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly account. After that, you can see the All Apps window in front of you in which you can see the 5 features of Pabbly, and I'm going to select Pabbly Connect. For that, click on Access Now. After that, you can see the Pabbly Connect's dashboard in front of you, and for starting our automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, I'm going to select this button on the top right corner that says Create Workflow. After that, a dialog box will appear in front of you which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Wedding Planners Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp Message. Next, it is asking for me to select a folder. So for selecting a folder, as on the left side, you can see I've created multiple folders in my account. So I'm going to select the specific folder in which I want to save my workflow in. So for that, I'm going to select Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp as my folder, and then to create a workflow, we have to click on Create. After that, as you can see, a workflow is created in the name of Wedding Planners Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp message, and you can see the 2 windows. These are the 2 most important steps of our automation process. One says trigger and another says action. Trigger and actions are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our automation process depends on these 2. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger whereas various action steps. So now I'm going to set up my trigger step. For that, I'm going to click over here, and next it is asking for me to choose an app. So I'm going to choose my trigger application as Facebook lead ads because I'm running my ads with the help of Facebook lead ads. Next, it is asking for me to choose a trigger event, and the trigger event is going to be new lead instead. That means every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So I'm going to select this. After that, as you can see right over here, it says instant. That means immediately after a new lead is generated, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture that lead. After that, to create a connection between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads, I'm going to click on Connect. A new window then appears in front of you in which we have to click on Add New Connection, but if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we have to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see, we have successfully authorized our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, and after that it is asking for page. That means it is asking for the page that we have created. So in my Facebook account, I have created a page as Blossom Weddings to run my wedding planning business, and on this page I'm running my Facebook lead ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly, and for the page I'm going to select Blossom Weddings as the page. Now after selecting the page, it is asking for me to select the lead gen form, and I have created a lead gen form in the name of new contact form. So I'm going to select this form right over here, and next then we have to click on save and send test request. Now after that, as you can see, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So that means I have to submit a response, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response or not. So now as on the screen, you can see the lead testing tool, and if you want to learn how to open that, then check out our YouTube channel. Next, I'm going to submit a test lead. For that, over here it is asking for a page, and I'm going to select the page that I've created as Blossom Weddings. Next, it is asking for the form, and for the form I've created a form in the name of new contact form, so I'm going to select it, and after that we are going to click on preview to preview our form. After that, you can see on the screen the lead form that I've created is in front of you, and now I'm going to fill in the details and then I'm going to submit the form. So firstly, it is asking for the emails. So I'm going to write an email as demo@pabblytudes.com. So next, it is asking me for the name. So I'm going to write the name as test user. After that, it is asking me for a phone number. So I'm going to write in a dummy phone number. As you can see, I filled all the details that my form was asking for, and next I'm going to click on next, and after that I'm going to click on submit to submit this form. And as over here you can see your test lead has been sent, so I'm going to go back to my Pabbly Connect account and I'm going to check whether a new response is captured, and yes, right over here as you can see a response is captured, and for the name it says test user, a dummy email, a dummy mobile number and all the other details right over here. So that means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So after setting up our trigger step, I'm going to set up my action step, and for the action application I'm going to choose WhatsApp Cloud API. I'm going to select this. If you want to select another application, you can use Wati or Interact. Next, it is asking for me to select my action event. So I'm going to select my action event as send template message. I have created a template right over here as you can see, and I want that every time a new lead form is submitted, automatically this template should be forwarded towards that lead. So what I'm going to do next is to connect our Pabbly Connect with WhatsApp Cloud API. I'm going to click on connect. After that, a new window appeared in front of you in which we have to select on add new connection, and after that as you can see right over here it is asking for all these details. So what we are going to do is I'm going to go back to my API setup, and as you can see right over here, and if you want to learn how to have the access of this setup, you can check out the related video on our channel. After that, as you can see in our Pabbly Connect, it is asking for a token. So if I'm going to go back to my API setup, and right over here you can see there is a temporary access token. So I'm going to copy this token from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, as you can see, it is asking a phone number ID. So phone number ID is also mentioned in our API setup. So I'm going to copy this phone number ID from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, it is asking for a WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it on the WhatsApp business account ID right over here. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save. We have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, and next you can see it is asking for all these informations. So we are going to set it up. Firstly, it is asking for the template name, and I have created a template in the name of Blossom Weddings. So I'm going to select the name of the template as Blossom Weddings. As you can see, it is right over here. And next it is asking for the language code, and the language code will be selected automatically, so you do not need to do anything, and as well as the selected template ID. We are not going to do anything with these steps right over here. Next it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So firstly I'm going to go back to the template that I have created. So as over here on the screen you can see I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, and the body of the template right over here says hello with the variable. Thank you for choosing us as your wedding planners. Our employee is soon going to contact you and help you with all your queries. Thank you, regards, Blossom Weddings. So you can see this is the template that I've created, and in the place of the variable I want the name of the user, so I have written a dummy name as dummy user. So what I'm going to do is in place of this variable that I've created right over here, I want the customer's name to be mentioned right over here. For that, what I'm going to do is, what we have to do is I'm going to go back to the Pabbly Connect. As over here it is asking for the mobile numbers, I'm going to map the data from my previous trigger response. So mapping means insert the data from previous response. For that I'm going to click over here, and as it is asking for the mobile number, I'm going to map the data for the mobile number right over here. After that it is asking for the body field. So this is the variable that I've created right over here as dummy user, and I want that in place of this variable name of my customer should appear. For that I'm going to again map the data, and this is the name of my customer, and I'm going to map this data. That means every time a new response is submitted in my trigger step, automatically all these map data is going to be updated according to the new response. That means every time a new number is added in my response, automatically to that number a WhatsApp message will be forwarded, and in place of body field 1, every time a new submission is done, automatically the name of the customer will be updated in my template. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request. So now I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp and check whether a message is forwarded to me or not. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and right over here, as you can see, a WhatsApp message is forwarded. So if I'm going to read it, it says, "Hello test user, thank you for choosing us as your wedding planners. Our employee is soon going to contact you and help you with all your queries. Thank you, regards, Blossom Weddings." So as you can see that a WhatsApp message is forwarded towards the new lead that was generated in my Facebook lead ads. So now I'm going to generate another lead in my Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to check whether a WhatsApp message is automatically forwarded or not. So for that, I'm going to submit in another response. So I'm going to open my lead ads testing tools. So this is the page of my lead ad testing tools, and you can see right over here it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the existing lead that I've created. For that, we need to click on delete right over here, and as on the screen you can see it says your lead has been deleted. After that, do not forget to refresh the page. After deleting the lead and refreshing the page, we are again going to select the page that I've created, that is Blossom Weddings, and the form as new contact form. And remember, deleting the lead is very important because you can only submit one lead per form. Okay, so do not forget to delete the lead and refresh the page. Next, after choosing the page and the form that I've created, I'm going to click on preview form. So this is the form in front of you that I've created. So I'm going to fill in the details. So firstly, it is asking me for the email. So I'm going to write the email as demouser@pabblytudes.com. So next, for the full name, I'm going to write it as test account. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and then submit the form. So as you can see, a new lead has been sent. So what we are going to do is we are going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on the lead that we have created right now or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So as over here in my WhatsApp number, as you can see, a message is forwarded as, "Hello test account, thank you for choosing us as your wedding planners. Our employee is soon going to contact you and help you with all your queries. Thank you, regards, Blossom Weddings." That means we have successfully connected an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So now to sum up till now what we have done. So I've created a workflow in the name of wedding planners, Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp message. I want that as a wedding planner, a WhatsApp message should be automatically forwarded to the new lead from my Facebook lead ads that has been generated. So for the trigger step, I have set up a trigger application as Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instead. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of my Facebook lead ad, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Next, for the action step, I have selected my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API and my action event as send template message. That means every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically to all my customers, a new message should be forwarded from the template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So this was the whole automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp messages. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.